So the new trading week has just started and we are already cashing out on the first trade signal call that we made for this week. So this new trade will show you how easy it is to make 100 pips in the Forex market. And hey, this was a trade that was called and fully explained before it played out. So there's a lot to learn from a trade like this, and I will be sharing everything about this trade with you. Hello traders, and welcome back to my channel where we turn market movement into money-making opportunities. So if you are new here, I'm your host BB Forex, and I will share trading tips, education and insights to help you become a more successful Forex trader. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe and like this video to always stay updated with everything that we do. So in this video, I'm super excited to share with you my secret sauce for consistently nailing 100 pips and more per trade on my focus pairs, which are Pound USD and Euro AUD. And yes, these are the only two currency pairs that I personally trade, and I also give out signal calls on them for the traders in our VIP signals group who trade with us every week. So the links to join our trading community will be in the video description. So the new trading week just started and we already nailed 100 pips on the first trade, which was called on Euro AUD. And if you have followed this channel for a while, you would notice the pattern that most of the trades that we talk about are 100 pips and above market movement. And hey, this is definitely a conscious effort. There is a lot of intentionality about this, because when you have a trading system that gives you a good winning such as this, it makes it very easy for you to become very profitable in the Forex markets. And a lot of traders struggle to catch as little as 20 to 50 pips in the full week in the Forex market. So you can only imagine the possibilities when you have a system that makes it super easy for you to generate 100 pips or more on a single trade. When you really understand how to read the market, how to spot the right key levels, and also how to properly make good use of the trading timeframes with a good risk management system, you would agree with me that trading can become just as easy as anything else. So back to the trade on Euro AUD. As you already know, it is not a magic. There is definitely an analysis of the trade before it happened. So I will walk you through everything about it, the pre-trade technical analysis that we did, explaining the technical breakdown of the trade before it played out. And hey, this was exclusively available for the traders in our VIP signals group, as well as the trade signal call when we made it, likewise how we executed the trade with precision and the result thereafter. And I believe there is a lot to be learned from this if you pay enough attention. And hey, I know you would agree with me that not so many traders out there can show you every single angle of a trade just as we do here. So we all know how easy it is to show a trade when it has already played out, and that is why we are different in this space with what we do. We show you every single angle of trade even before it's played out and after it plays out. So before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section, and also check the link in the video description to join our trading community. And now let's get started. So as you already know, I trade Pound USD and Euro AUD only. These are the two markets that I trade. And I have my Telegram page, the Telegram channel on the screen, and also the chat on the screen as well. So I will be showing you everything, every angle of this trade. I will show everything about this trade. So I believe there's a lot to learn, and we are going to learn a lot from this very trade. So if you are not in this Telegram page, be sure to join this Telegram group so you do not miss out on very important trading information that you may need. I share a lot on this Telegram channel, so check the link in the video description. Join this channel right away. So this is the trade right here. But before then, I will quickly show you where the trade was called in the VIP signals group. This is the public channel, so the signals group is right here. The blue VIP signals group, this is a paid service where I make calls on our premium trade calls on EA and Pound USD, the same market that I trade. I give out everything about this same market on this private signals group. So this is the trade on EA. where we're looking for longs in this market to begin the week. You can see we have this same move. We're looking for longs from this same low. We have the first TP, the second TP. The full TP in this trade is about 120 from this very low here. But the most important thing here is 100 pips or more, right? So the full target gave us about 120 pips, however. And another good thing of this whole service is that we make sure to explain everything about the trades that we call. So we do not just call trades and give out trades to people to take blindly. We want you to also understand everything about the market that you are trading and everything to know about the trades that you are getting into. So that way you are informed about every decision that you take with your trading. So you can see the video here. This is about 18 minutes. So I will be sharing just a part of this video in this video, so you can understand where and how we were able to call this trade and catch this trade. This is a full video analysis explaining the trade way before it happened. So the members in this group were able to get this way before price did all this move you see right here. And this was sent, you can see, on 16th of June, and that was on a Sunday. And on the Monday, which was 17th, we were able to make all of this profit on EA. So these are some of the profits from the trade. You can see we have EA, you can see how it's played out. And we also have another profit right here. EA, you can see how it played out, exactly what we were looking for to see. So we were able to cash out on EA, and the trade is actually a very simple trade. We're looking for longs from somewhere around here, and the first TP was right here for about 70, and the full TP is about 100 pips plus. And price gave us exactly what we were looking for. We got exactly what we needed to see, and we were able to make all this profit by simply following the call in the VIP signals group. So the same trade is right here. You can see before price played out, and this is after price played out. So right before right here and after right here. So the same trade, the same analysis that was made on the 16th of June. I'm going to show part of this analysis in this video, so you understand and appreciate the effort that we put together in making sure the traders who trade with us are well taken care of. So let's quickly look at the pre-analysis and see how EA was explained and how it played out fully. EA, and of course on the daily time frame we have something really interesting on the daily time frame. And the first thing you would notice is the daily key level from this low here. The daily key level from this low here is holding, and it looks very, very clean. So let's keep eyes on that. So H1 here also looks good. On the H1 you will see a little downtrend playing out. So last week we had this downtrend which has been playing out. We had something like this last week. So price did this, and then this low here has been holding. The low right here has been holding. So that is what we have right now. And if price holds this level one more time, we may have a possible launch in this market. Remember, the high time frame looks bullish because of the daily key level that is being tested. So all we need to see here is just for price to establish a good support over here. So if a good support is established right there, we may have a good trade on EA for longs to begin the week, of course. So let's quickly also go back to the M30. So M30 even looks better, so we are going to focus on M30. So the M30 here, this is simply what we are looking at, because the downtrend, we have the downtrend, something like this going on the M30. So this low here was created, and then we have something like this. So this becomes the entry level in this market. So for as long as that level does not break, right? So which means from inside of this zone, we are looking at a possible entry confirmation. So if you have a good entry confirmation inside of this zone, we are good to go. So like I said, first TP should be somewhere around this level, but you need to watch out also for this level here. So that concludes our in-depth analysis of how we successfully started the week with our first winning trade on Euro AUD with 100 pips profit. And I hope you found this system and the insights and everything shared in this video very helpful and applicable to your own trading. For further guidance and personalized support, visit the website with a link in the video description to access additional quality resources, including our complete trading course, the one-on-one coaching service, and our signal service as well, with more. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your trading buddies and everyone else. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.